Are you struggling with mocking UUID generation in your test cases? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we will explore how to effectively mock UUID generation using Python's unit test framework. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your tests produce inconsistent results. It can feel like you're chasing your tail, especially when the order of your test cases affects the outcome. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to mock the function UUID4 in the UUID module during the setup of their test case. They mentioned that when running multiple test cases, the UUIDs generated were different each time, leading to unpredictable results. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's happening here? When you mock UUID4, you're using an iterator that generates UUIDs. However, if the iterator isn't reset between tests, you'll end up with different UUIDs based on the order of execution. This can lead to flaky tests, which is something we definitely want to avoid. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to reset your iterator effectively, ensuring your tests are reliable every time. To address the user's issue with UUID generation in their test cases, we will first ensure that the UUID iterator resets before each test. This can be achieved by modifying the setup method to recreate the UUID pool. Next, the user should ensure that the patching of the UUID4 function occurs correctly. This means that the patch should be applied to the method that creates the object, ensuring that each test case uses the fresh UUIDs. Additionally, the user might want to consider using the teardown method to clean up any resources or reset states after each test. This can help maintain a clean testing environment. Finally, the user should run their test cases to verify that each test case generates unique UUIDs consistently. This will confirm that the changes made are effective. Fun fact: UUID stands for Universally Unique Identifier, a digital fingerprint for your data. How you wouldn't want two people to have the same fingerprint, you want your UUIDs to be unique. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a global counter to generate unique UUIDs. They define a function called mockUUE that increments a counter each time it's called, returning a new UUID based on that counter. This method ensures that each test case gets a unique UUID, regardless of the order in which they run, making it a universal solution that handles all edge cases. Here's the tip I promised. Always reset your iterators in the setup method to avoid flaky tests. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By resetting your UUID iterator in the setup method, your tests will be more reliable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on testing and development.